With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
4 charges are placed each at a distance from origin. The dipole moment of configuration is all 4 charges each of distance a from origin. It means the distance between two charges taking x is equal to under root a square plus a square, which is equal to a into under root 2. We know that dipole moment is the system of two equal magnitudes but opposite nature charges. So we have to divide the charges as shown in the figure for making the dipole. We can divide this 3q into plus q and 2q, and this minus 2q into minus q into q. This forms an one dipole, and this forms one dipole, and this forms, this is minus q, one dipole. P dipole, 2p dipole, and this is p dipole, and the net dipole, and the direction of dipole is from negative to positive. This direction, this in this direction, and this in this direction. This p is this 2p, which is in this direction, and this p is in this direction. This p and 2p are in opposite direction, so this p and 1p from 2p got cancelled out. So the resultant p, and here only 1p left. P and p, and they resultant in this direction, y-axis and x-axis, minus x minus y. For a dipole, we know that this angle is 45 and this angle is also 45, 90 degree. So the resultant dipole moment PR is equal to 2p into cos 45 j cap, because resultant is in y direction, and we know that P dipole moment is equal to q into x. Q is the charge and x is the distance between two dipole. Q into x is a into under root 2, and we know that cos 45 is equal to 1 divided by under root 2. So resultant dipole moment is equal to 2 into q into a into under root 2 into 1 divided by under root 2 into j cap. This under root 2 got cancelled out. So resultant dipole moment PR is equal to 2 into q into a j cap. This is the answer. Now let's see which option is matching our answer. Option A is the correct option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.